I'm in the parking lot at Sandy Beach in Acadia National Park, getting ready to start the Beehive Trail. This is a hike I've been looking forward to for a long time. It's not particularly long, but it's a beautiful day and it has really good views, and it's a bit gimmicky in that you're going up cliffs, climbing on iron rebar type of rungs. I'm not sure how crowded it's going to be up there, but I already did some photos of people up on the peak from the parking lot, and I can see there are at least quite a few people already up there. So we're going to go up the Beehive and come back down on the bowl trail. That beach you see off in the distance, I'll zoom in, and that's where we started, in the parking lot just by that beach. Yeah, the trail is pretty rocky and pretty much straight up. Yep, definitely cliffside here, a little sketchy. That's where I came up from. And there's the incredible view looking out. This is the dangerous part of the trail, and I'm gonna have to put the camera away while I'm actually climbing up this, because people have fallen to their death here, so need both hands. Guys, getting up there, metal rungs are a lot of fun, but you don't want to lose your grip for sure. So we're still going up. I am getting a few people turning around and going the other way. So I don't know what's ahead, but they didn't like it. At this point, I don't even know where the trail goes. If it goes straight up that crevice, or if it wraps around that bend there. I can't see around there. The scary thing about this trail is right now the trail goes up these rungs. I climb out and I go around there. I don't even know what's around there. I guess I'll figure it out when you get there. But it's gorgeous views. Starting to wrap around Beehive a little bit, and we're seeing Frenchman's Bay over here to the left. So getting up there pretty high. I think I'm almost to the top, but I could be wrong. This vertical part of the hike is definitely climbing, not hiking, but it's pretty cool. This is where they want me to go up next, right there. All right, so I think the summit's right behind me, not too far. And that's all I got to go. I haven't summited yet, but I'm pretty close. But I'd stop and take in this view. I don't know if it's going to be any better from up there or not yet, but this is incredible and tremendous. Frenchman's Bay all there to the left, and Bar Harbor as it wraps around that way, going out to the Atlantic there. And if you're familiar with the park here at Acadia, that part that sticks out right down in there, that's Otter Point. And just past Otter Point is the campground where we'll be camping in about a week. We'll be there for 4 days. Guys, that's the summit marker right there. Yeah, Beehive Summit, if you can't read it. It's only 520 feet. It's more the coming up the cliff thing. All right, starting down from the summit now. This is not supposed to be anything like the trip up. It's supposed to be a fairly easy hike. And by the way, if you really wanted to get up to that summit, but you don't want to do that sketchy cliffs section, you can just hike up the backside here, do the loop trail in reverse, and just come back down the same way you came up. Looking back at that knob right there, that's the top of the Beehive. It says a half a mile back to the loop road where I started. You pass a bunch of other intersecting trails here on this. Just remember that if you're doing Beehive, on the way back you're on the bowl trail. The bowl trail is kind of a loop. It goes up over Beehive, so a lot of cool hikes to do here. A little bit of boulder jumping coming out of here, and the road I can see just ahead down the bottom of the hill. All right, so I did run my Relive app, and I'll run that video right after this recap. As far as the trail's concerned, as long as you don't have an abnormal fear of heights and you're relatively healthy and you like to hike, I think you'll do just fine on that trail. There are some sections that are a little sketchy, but I mean, I saw 12-year-old kids up there that hiked up it. So I think you'll be fine as long as you don't have an abnormal fear of heights. I wouldn't want to do that hike when it's wet, because sometimes you're kind of counting on your footing not to slip. Sorry, I couldn't film it better when I was doing some of the sketchy sections, but I felt like I needed both hands available, so I just felt like it was too risky to try to hang off the rungs and film like that. But if I was younger, I probably would have done that. So not particularly hard. Here comes the Relive app. If you hike it, I hope you have a good time. It's kind of a gimmicky, fun trail where you get some incredible views. Hope you have fun hiking Beehive.